how to check PS5 controller battery. Also, this will show you how to know if your PS5 controller is fully charged. So all you're going to want to do is on your controller, you're going to want to press the PlayStation logo that should be in the middle bottom part of your controller. Then that's going to bring up on the screen at the bottom part once you've pressed it like I do here. Along there you want to press the D-pad down, go along all the way to the right until you get to accessories, click X on that, then you'll see there if it's at 3 bars you know it's fully charged. It could potentially be at 2 or at 1. You can also click X on there and change some settings with your controller. But like I said before, just go to the accessories part after pressing the PlayStation logo, click accessories. There you'll see your DualSense wireless controller. You can turn it off as well, but if it's on 3 bars you know it's fully charged. If it's on 2 or 1 it needs to be charged, but that's how you can see it there. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.